UNESCO World Heritage Sites are places of cultural, historical, and scientific significance, and are legally protected by international treaties. Indonesia is one of the countries that has many tourist attractions for World Heritage Sites. Here are 8 tourist spots in Indonesia that have become UNESCO World Heritage. Number 1. Prambanan Temple. Prambanan Temple is located in Prambanan Regency, Yogyakarta Special Region Province. In 1991, Prambanan Temple was designated as a UNESCO Cultural Heritage. This historical site is the largest temple complex in Indonesia. This temple is the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia, as well as one of the most beautiful temples in Southeast Asia. Built in the 9th century AD. The architecture of this building is tall and slender in accordance with Hindu architecture in general, with the Shiva temple as the main temple having a height of up to 47 meters, towering in the middle of a complex cluster of smaller temples. As one of the grandest temples in Southeast Asia, Prambanan Temple attracts tourists from all over the world. The number of temples in this complex is around 240 temples, such as Shu, Budha, and Lumbung temples. Many major art events are held here. For example, such as the Ramayana Ballet and Prambanan Jazz performances. Number 2. Ujung Kulon National Park. Ujung Kulon National Park was included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1991, located in Banten Province or the western part of Java Island. Some areas that are included in the national park include Handulam Island, Pukang, Panaitan, Krakatau. In this national park, you can see a variety of flora which are divided based on forest types, such as coastal forests, mangrove forests, and grasslands. There are also many scattered wild fauna, such as coyotes, Javan rhinos, mongoose, and so on. Ujung Kulon is the oldest national park in Indonesia, which was inaugurated as one of the World Heritage protected by UNESCO in 1991. Because the area covers a very large protected forest. Until now, approximately 50 to 60 rhinos live in this habitat. Number 3. Sang Iron Site. Paleoanthropologists in the world would not hesitate at all when concluding that Java Island is one of the places to live for. The earliest human species in the world. It is said that more than 1 million years ago, we can be sure that on this island there were ancient humans. In 1996, Sang Iron was confirmed as a UNESCO World Heritage. Located in central Java Province. Its area is about 5,600 hectares. In the northern part of Solo City, central Java. The location is divided into 2 districts, namely Sragen and Karanganyar. For those of you who want to see fossil findings in the Sang Iron area, you can come to the Sang Iron Fossil Museum. The museum is located in Sragen Regency. It has a variety of collections, such as human fossils, vertebrate animals, aquatic animals, and rocks. Number 4. Lawrence National Park. Lawrence National Park is a national park located in the province of Papua, Indonesia. With an area of 2.4 million hectares. Lawrence is the largest national park in Southeast Asia. The park is still not fully mapped, explored, and contains many native plants, animals and culture. In 1999 this national park was accepted as UNESCO World Heritage Site. As reported by UNESCO's official website, this national park in eastern Indonesia is the largest protected area in Southeast Asia. Puncak Karsens or Jayawijaya is included in the protected area of Lawrence National Park. You can find a lot of interesting biodiversity here. For the animals, there are birds of paradise, cassowaries, pigs with long spines, cuscus, wallabies, to bobcat. Meanwhile, the flora is divided into several types of vegetation, such as sago forests, grasslands and swamp forests. Number 5. Sumatran Tropical Rainforest. The Sumatran tropical rainforest has an area of around 2.5 million hectares. Inside there are various national parks, such as Gunung Leuser, Kerinci Sebelat, and Bukit Barisan Selatan. This area was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage in 2004. The Tropical Rainforest Heritage of Sumatra is a conservation area for the tropical rainforest in Sumatra and the habitat for several endangered species such as Sumatran tigers, Sumatran orangutans, Sumatran elephants and Sumatran rhinos, which are the smallest rhino species and have 2 horns. This place is also home to various types of endemic plants such as semeru bags, the world's largest flower Rafflesia arnoldi, and the tallest flower Amorphophallus titanum. In this area, you can find famous plants, such as semeru bags and Rafflesia arnoldi flowers. Unfortunately, this rainforest is deep. Red List of World Heritage under threat. This is because forest fires and animal hunting often occur here. Number 6. The cultural landscape of Bali Province. Bali has a unique rice field processing system, called sabak. This system is an implementation of Balinese philosophy, which means human relations, nature around, and God. Therefore, it was entered as a UNESCO World Heritage in 2012. The landscape consists of villages and terraced rice fields in Bali, with a system of sabaks, temples, and temples located there. There are 5 areas included in the cultural landscape of Bali Province, including Ulundanu Bachar Temple, Lake Bachar, Sabak Tukadpai Karizan area, Angabudakaru, Tamanyan Temple, and the Sabak area of the river basin. The total area of all these places reaches 20,974.70 hectares. There are also tourist objects, temples, and temples that are included in the area. Is also included as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 7. Borobudur Temple. Borobudur is one of the largest Buddhist monuments in the world. The temple, which was built in the 8th and 9th centuries, is located in Magelang, Central Java Province. This monument was restored with help from UNESCO in the 1970s. Its amazingly beautiful design made Borobudur included in the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1991. The temple consists of 6 square-shaped terraces with 3 circular courtyards. You can see the reliefs made in such a way along the walls. There are about 504 Buddha statues. Number 8. Komodo National Park. Komodo National Park is located in the Sumbawa Islands, East Nusa Tenggara Province. This World Heritage Site consists of 3 large islands, namely Komodo, Rinca, and Padra Islands. This place is used to protect Komodo dragons and their habitat. Komodo dragons average about 2–3 meters in size with aggressive behavior. As reported by the official UNESCO site, the dragons only exist in Indonesia, therefore it was entered as one of the World Heritage in 1986. Komodo National Park covers a total of 29 volcanic islands including the 3 main islands Budha, Rinca, and Komodo. This garden is home for around 2,500 Komodo dragons and other terrestrial fauna. The terrain of this park is uniquely diverse, consisting of mountainous slopes, tropical rainforests, forest grasslands, and clean white sandy beaches. The marine environment in Komodo National Park is one of the richest in the world in flora and fauna and is still relative. Has not been found.
Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to get more interesting